a second because the recording stopped. But
crash it, you know, a month before the crash or whatever. The fact that they used that against her made her not get a fair trial. That's what they're basically saying. Which is
stop
ridiculous.
freaking
I guess
killing me, everybody. Can we be nice, like a happy family? Can we be like happy?
It was like a few months
Bro!
It was like the 1800s, and I would be like, okay, don't bring it into trial now. You know, that was like decades and decades ago. But if it was just a month, I think it should be allowed. I do. That's just my opinion on it. I am no lawyer. The trial court erroneously precluded the defense from introducing testimony or evidence relating to this July 17th incident, thereby prejudicing Shirley's constitutional right to due process and a fair trial, as well as her right to present a meaningful and complete defense. We address Mackenzie's assignment of Arielle in a slightly different order than she presented them. Mackenzie contends that her convictions were not supported by sufficient evidence. While she challenges the convictions on each counts of 1 through 8, we note that counts 2
The bees are trying to kill me because I broke their hive on purpose.
Did you want a treat?
Yes.
Is there any banana in there? It's harmless. Is there any banana? A challenge to the sufficiency of the evidence supporting a conviction requires a determination of whether the state has met its burden of production at trial. Whether the evidence is legally sufficient to support a verdict is a question of law.
No, it's really
An
delicious.
appellate court's function when reviewing the sufficiency of evidence to support a criminal conviction is to examine.
I'm here. Where are you?
Determine whether such evidence, if believed, would convince a reasonable juror of the defendant's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. We must determine whether, after viewing the evidence in light most favorable to the prosecution,
I'm dying!
of fact could have been found of the crime proven beyond a reasonable doubt. The elements of the offense may be proven by direct evidence, circumstantial evidence, or both. Circumstantial evidence and direct evidence have equal evidentiary value. The person commits murder by purposely causing the death of another. Mackenzie concedes that the only
check how many diamonds
I kind of like
to
that.
grab the,
What did Kyrie say?
a diamond chest plate?
Don't.
1 second. What is it called that like?
That is so something my sister would be on my ass for right now. She would be coming for me. She's probably going to, along with Uncry Me.
Never mind. Okay, where are you?
I'm not gonna block her. I'm just kidding. She chose to not be tried by injury, obviously because her and her lawyer thought
I'm trying to find more diamonds.
Okay.
It's the weekend. Give me a
To hope that it stops glitching, because then I'll be able to check some.
Maybe he does. I don't know. You made up for it with Makilla. Okay,
Please check how much you need per chest plate.
Okay. 1 sec. I need a crafting table.
I think because I'm not going
Wait, one.
I work in the healthcare field, so like during the week I'm like,
Since we're at
I'm
spawn,
like literally
since we have keep inventory at
bouncing off the
spawn.
wall, so I think I'm more like put together. But yes, okay, back to Makilla. Let's see, a person. Okay. So Mackenzie concedes that the only issue in dispute was whether.
We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need 8, and I gave you 3,
We disagree.
and I have 4, so we just need 1 more.
Less than a month before the crash, he had heard Mackenzie threaten a car crash in which Mackenzie and Russo were traveling. Crash reconstruction.
We need 1 more. We need 1 more.
Revealed that Mackenzie, on the date of the crash, made a
Wait a minute. No, I have enough. I have enough.
Was pushed all the way to the floor while the vehicle traveled at approximately 100 miles per hour. Someone inside the vehicle manually shifted the gear shift into neutral, but it was forced back into drive as the vehicle continued hurtling forward. Mackenzie never took her foot off the accelerator and never depressed the brake in seconds leading up to the crash, even as the car passed through an intersection when airborne, landed, continued through an industrial sign and into a brick wall.
Yep, I'm dead.
You died. Press player view.
So wait. I was saying wait.
So how much diamonds do you need?
I got it.
You're killing me.
Sucks. That's
Is that what you smoke in a vape? That's just what you smoke.
I got it.
That's just what you smoke with, like. I think you can smoke
I got
with
it.
Makilla or Makilla? Makilla.
Because we should both try to get diamond chest plates if we're gonna
Wait,
fight.
I have enough. I just need one more, and then I can get a diamond chest plate. If you give me the 3 that I gave you, and I get one more diamond, then we have enough to make a diamond chest plate for me.
Okay, just give me a
So
second.
basically,
Can you make enough
who
sword for
was
me
your
too,
shit?
since
Who
it's
did that?
glitching and it won't
Was that
let me
Dom?
click
Or
craft?
was that Davion? Why did they fingerprint that shit? I wish they would have.
This is for your grandma. A video for your grandma.
You know what I
I
mean?
also have a
It
bow
would've
and
been
arrow,
nice to know
so
who
that
did
will
that.
help in case of emergencies. Can you use a command to give
Davion. We all
me
think it was
withered
Davion.
skeleton
She's
head?
saying she wasn't
please?
Oh,
affected by
no.
anything anymore, that she
Okay.
was crushed if anything was normal. Was like, yeah, she was
This is
used to
scary.
driving like that.
Or
Some
you
people
can
get
give
used to
yourself
it. I'm
one
not
and
saying
you
it's
can place
okay.
it either way
Don't go
works.
do that. But I'm
You're
just
gonna
saying,
place
the
that.
THC weight is extremely high compared to even 10 years ago. too. We are over here forming our own language of failures. I love that. I do. I really do love that.
How long is
Your
this
is very
video?
cute, I
So
know.
Sick. We remember I ended it
Sounds
because
like two
like
people
of
were
that,
having it.
but this one is
So
6
Dom and
minutes.
Davion?
How
I
long
have
is
questions, you know, and it's kind of like any other
6
true
minutes.
crime case that we cover, like
it? 6
Chris
minutes?
Watts,
Alright.
Brian Covert.
Yeah,
No one
because
will ever really
remember
tell
we
the
ended
actual
the
truth
video a
if it
couple of
doesn't benefit
times.
them, and so this is one of those situations
Are
where
you
whether
able to
Mackenzie
add
did
it
it
all
intentionally or
together
not,
and then
she's not gonna tell the truth.
I
And
can add it
whether
all
we believe
together,
her
but
when she
not
says
right
she
now.
didn't, you know, that's on us.
Okay.
But like,
So,
it's not like Brian
once
Covert
we
is gonna sit
finish
there and be like,
publishing,
I did this and this
once
and
we
this because of
finish
this. It's
the
just
video,
There you go.
He's not gonna do that.
I gave you
These
it.
type of people don't come
Nice.
with
Okay, let's
ethics
go.
and morals. Like, they're literal monsters and psychopaths. So like, we're not ever gonna get the truth from them, and I don't know if we'll ever get it from
Fight
Mackenzie
the weather.
either. You know,
To the nether. Fight the
and
weather.
sucks. Medical experts examined Sharilla after the crash and could find no evidence that she had been
I may or may not have been
afflicted with a neurological or musculature condition that could have contributed to the crash. A mechanical expert examined the vehicle and found no sign of latent defects that could have contributed to the crash. This evidence
We
was
should have set
sufficient
a
for
world
fact
spawn
finders to
point
think the
there.
unreasonable thought that Mackenzie crashed the vehicle purposely, intending to kill Flanagan and Russo. We therefore overrule Mackenzie's
let's
second assignment of
go the
error.
harder way.
Mackenzie contends that her convictions were against the manifest weight of evidence. A manifest
Yeah,
weight
just get in the
challenge
water,
attacks the
go on
credibility
the
of the
side.
evidence presented and questions whether the state
Okay, I'll
met its burden of
teleport to you.
persuasion at trial.
Okay, that works.
See, we learn so much reading these documents. The manifest weight challenge attacks the credibility. Okay.
My teeth hurt. Don't worry.
At Lupi Kia Milwaukee, your car buying experience is as smooth as the drive home in your new Kia. Whether you're looking for the latest Kia models, incredible savings, or a hassle-free trade-in, we've got you covered. Our flexible financing options and commitment to getting you the best deal
Down
make
there.
owning a Kia
Do you have a
possible
water
for
bucket
everyone.
or something?
And with
I can do a
expert
water
maintenance and
bucket.
top-tier customer care, we're here for you
Oh,
every mile
I'm
of the
still
way.
alive.
Experience
Oh.
the difference at Lupi Kia Milwaukee,
There was a
where
creature
trust,
that blew up.
value, and great
I remember
service come
this.
standard.
And Russo's relationship was in a good place at the time
Down
of the crash.
here.
Berlingos
First,
and
let's
Bronza
let
saw
our
him
health
shortly before the
regenerate.
crash and did not report anything. on
Here
the
it
incident.
is.
Others who knew Mackenzie
Oh, I'm scared. I have a diamond sword, but
and
still.
Mackenzie's mother
And
also
I have a bow
testified
and arrow.
that the
I
two
should
scenes
probably
of
get that in my...
Sherlock points out that her
Yeah, I'm
PO
gonna. Wait a minute. Wait. I need to get everything good in my
accident,
inventory.
or she may have had other
This is a nice
medical
bow.
emergency like a heart attack.
Okay,
or
I need to get my diamond
seizure.
sword out, and
Positive that
I
the
need
crash
to
could have been
get.
caused by distracted driving or
this
simple
out.
Are
recklessness,
you at
contrary
full health
to the
yet?
testimony of
One
the
sec. Let me
detective
like get
that
everything that I
Mackenzie
don't need
often
out of my
drove
inventory,
distracted
so then I
or
don't like
recklessly,
just
according
like.
to her social media. She argues that in light
Okay,
of
this is
all
all
of
I
these
need.
possible
I got
other
my sword out.
explanations,
Okay.
the
Yep.
manifest weight of evidence
I'm at.
weighs against
I
the
need
verdict.
to eat some of my potatoes, and then I'll be at full
It's
health.
funny because You know,
Okay.
like Natalie Shirley says that they were in love and the people saw them be in love. And you guys, me and you guys,
I have
we're over
no
here
idea.
like, that's total bull because we're reading all the text from 2020.
Yeah.
We didn't just cut through.
I have one more heart left, and then I'll be at full health.
Clout and views. We're like reading all of them, you know?
Half a heart. I'm at full health. I'm at full health.
Okay.
Ah!
Just the parents are grasping at straws, yeah.
I dropped some ice cream on my pants.
And so we get to see that other side of their relationship, and like we know that they go back and forth, right? Like they could be very lovey and they could not. Like we see that.
Are you good?
intensely when
Where are you?
I'm just minding that.
After a careful review, we find that this is not the exceptional case where the evidence weighed heavily against the verdicts. A conviction is not against the manifest weight of the evidence solely because the fact finder heard inconsistent or contradictory testimony.
I'm ready to shoot.
The decision on whether and to what extent to believe the testimony.
We found diamonds, though.
Competence of the fact finder.
Now what do we do? Because there's a wither
The record reflects
in somewhere in our.
forensic reconstruction evidence and other evidence showing the maximum acceleration leading to the crash. In connection with Mackenzie's
Bro, we're
previous
done
threats
for.
and the fact that her cell phone had been
It's the
located in the area
wither.
of the crash in the days leading up to the crash. With certain friends and families. While certain friends and families testified about the loving nature of the relationship between Don and Mackenzie, other witnesses testified that July 22.
I'm falling and I can't get up.
The latter claim was corroborated by video evidence. Testimony established that these fights involved Mackenzie threatening Dominic and hitting him. In one instance, according to a witness, Mackenzie threatened to crash a vehicle that she and Dom were traveling in together. While Dr. Key testified that it is possible that Shirley could have suffered a medical emergency like a seizure or mini stroke.
I'm dying. Don't worry. I'll find out where it is.
Other evidence makes this potential explanation seem unreasonable. For example, Mackenzie denied having adverse medical conditions when applying for a driver's license.
Where's the wither?
Before and after the crash. Moreover, someone manually moved the gear shift back.
Wait a minute. I need armor. I don't have any armor.
Neutral.
I'm going creative mode, okay?
There was no evidence presented that any medical condition could have caused Mackenzie to simultaneously use
It's
the
loading.
to take the foot off the accelerator or
There, we're in
to
creative
also
mode.
intentionally manipulating the
I
gear shift.
accidentally
A distracted
killed you because I
driving
was trying to
incident
kill
is
the
also
enemies
not
that were
consistent
trying
with
to kill
forensic
me.
evidence, which shows that Mackenzie never took her foot off this accelerator,
Okay.
even as the car hit a curb, went airborne, landed, and continued toward a brick wall. Mackenzie argued her case to the
Can I
trial
not
court,
turn
and the
me
court
into
was
creative?
any portion of the state's evidence or witness testimony that was inconsistent or otherwise unbelievable.
It isn't letting me turn into creative.
Case
Are
in
you
which
in
evidence
creative?
weighs heavily against the court's verdicts. We therefore
Yeah, I am.
overrule
Well, can you
Shirley's
get
third assignment of
stuff for me?
error. In her first assignment of error, Mackenzie contends that the juvenile court erred by transferring her to the case by transferring her case
Because
to the
I'm
court
still
on common pleas.
creative, and I don't know why. But it's I'm not in creative, but
Namely,
you are.
that
So
the evidence presented during the probable cause hearing established that Shirley and Russell were in love and getting along perfectly fine. Before the crash, there was insufficient evidence that Mackenzie purposely crashed the
Done.
car. Juvenile courts possess exclusive jurisdiction.
Okay,
over
you want survival?
children alleged to be in delinquent committing acts.
Uh,
To be delinquent for committing acts that would constitute a crime if committed by an adult. However, under certain circumstances, the
Wrong,
juvenile
nope.
court has to be
This isn't the
transfer a case
place.
Or bind a juvenile over to the adult criminal system where the juvenile may be tried.
yeah, that wasn't the place. I'll teleport
There are
you.
two types of transfers under Ohio's juvenile system: a mandatory transfer and discretionary transfers. Mandatory transfer removes discretion from the judge in the transfer decision in certain situations. Discretionary transfer allows judges the discretion to transfer or bind over to adults.
Okay, I'm here. I'm here.
Who do not appear to be
Oh, I found
amenable
diamonds.
to
I just
care or
gotta
rehabilitation within the juvenile system or appear to be a threat to public
Wait, I'm not
safety.
underwater. I wasn't underwater. Oh my
After a
God.
careful review, we disagree with the appellate's contention that the state failed to establish probable cause in the juvenile court. In other words, if a child is eligible for mandatory bindover and
We're here.
probable cause exists to believe that the juvenile committed the act charged, the juvenile court must enter an order of transfer. Okay. To establish probable cause in the bindover proceeding, the state has a burden to present credible evidence supporting each element of the offense.
I went on I supposed to get up there?
Because she was like before 18, remember? Before.
Okay, come here. I think it's somewhere up here.
Younger than 18, she was 17. So, in considering whether
Yeah, I think it's over here.
must evaluate the quality of the evidence presented by
Ow,
the state.
it's over here. One sec. Let me
As well as any evidence presented by the respondent that attacks probable cause. To determine whether the state has presented credible evidence, point to each element.
Okay, I set the world spawn point here. No, bro. Okay, I set the world spawn
juvenile
point here.
court's decision is mixed. We defer the juvenile court determinations regarding witness credibility, reviewing those determinations for abuse of discretion. However, whether the state has presented sufficient evidence to support a finding.
The world is right here at the world spawn point.
We review.
Okay, teleport to me. It's right where I am. I'm fighting the wither alone. Okay, come here, come down here. No, not that far down.
Each element of the offense is charged. Based on the evidence presented to the probable cause hearing, we disagree.
Okay, we're here together.
Mackenzie, but the state failed to meet this.
Oops, sorry, did I mean to do that? Did I do that?
Above the evidence established, Mackenzie pressed the accelerator pedal to 100% acceleration, causing the vehicle.
The wither's up here, I
100
think.
miles per hour before crashing into a brick wall.
Well, the wither was up here, remember?
Whether there was probable cause to commit
Where'd it
this crime
go?
turned essentially on whether there was credible evidence that Mackenzie purposely caused the crash.
Oh
There
my
was.
god, I can't stop talking.
That's just crazy. At least we are honest cheaters.
I don't know where the wither is, but he's still at full health.
Oh, let me find out you cheated. Now that I'm going back and yeah, Patty knew. Patty knows him too. Oh, okay, I see.
Where are you? I'll teleport to you.
Uh-huh.
I just died.
Okay.
Oh, good.
I see you
Okay,
cheaters.
show me where you were.
You thought you were gonna pull one on me.
I think I was over
Yep.
here.
They all been cheating. Patty's like, except me. We all did?
Oh, yep, there he is, I died.
Okay, I'll set the world spawn point here. Ah, I tried to spit the world spawn point right where he is. I'm about to die,
At
bro.
least we're honest cheaters. You know what?
Oh my god, at least we know where he is.
Comment says it meant nothing.
I'm stuck. Help.
Why are you guys cheating?
The wither is coming for
Mommy,
us.
Why would he not let me swim?
Thank you. Okay, says it meant nothing. At least you heard it from us and not someone else. Wait till she gets her book. I'm not going to literally.
No,
It's
I couldn't, cause like I wasn't like I tried to spit the world spawn point, and then I went and then like I tried to and like he blew me away. Oh no, I will after I call. You did? I'm teleporting to you. What? What? Yes. I'm recording. Yes. Okay, I heard you. Yes. Yes.
While there was evidence suggesting that Shirley communicated with Russo, that Russo was at fault for the highway incident, and the state could not present.
Yep, I noticed. Where's the wither? Okay, there he is. I'll spawn point. I'll set the spawn point right here. Okay, I set the world spawn point there.
Conclude that the state did establish probable cause, and therefore there was no error when the juvenile court ordered the case transferred to the general division of the common case court for prosecution.
I'm falling to my death.
Before the assignment, she contends the trial court ordered by line state to introduce. Oh yeah, where are you at that part? The improper character or other acts.
I had my crossbow ready and everything. Dang it.
The trial court granted the state's motion. The state stated that the evidence was not offered to show Shirley's bad character.
Where is he? Where is he?
Motive, intent, knowledge, absence,
Where's the
and
wither?
accident, to provide context with respect to Mackenzie's relationship with Russo. Specifically, the state argued as follows. Mackenzie's past threats and aggressions towards them provide an important perspective of how Mackenzie responds in situations where she is displeased or disagreement with others. Further, the evidence shows that Mackenzie was a well of her
Ricky!
ability to cause
I tried.
victims,
Stupid
especially by
arrow.
means of her own vehicle, and how she
I
could
only
use the
have
power
5
of threats and
arrows
control to ultimately reach
Do
the
I have an
outcome she
arrow?
desired.
I'm gonna see if I have arrows. I have arrows. I have
Pursuant to
arrows.
Evidence,
Yeah, I just hung
remember,
with her and I died
evidence of
again.
any other
Can you
crime,
put some spawn points
wrong,
at
or
where
act
the
is not
wither is
admissible to
at?
prove a person's
Yeah, I
character
don't know
in
where
order
the
to
wither is.
show
Oh my
that
god! The spawn wither. It's right where the wither is. No, it's right where the wither is. I swimmed up, and that's where the wither was. Okay.
Another purpose, such as
Let's try to throw him in the void.
opportunity, intent, preparation, plan, knowledge, identity, absence of mistake, or lack of accident. The key is that the evidence must prove something other than the defendant's
No, why
disposition
is
to
the,
commit
how
certain
did the
acts.
wither
Thus,
disappear?
while evidence showing the defendant's character or
The wither's invisible.
commit crimes or
I
act
was
is
able to
forbidden,
shoot him.
evidence of other acts is admissible.
I see the
in
world
evidence
spawn
for
point
the
here.
Separate, non-propensity-based issue.
I died. At least we set the world spawn point. What? I set the world spawn point there. Well, I set the world spawn point there, didn't I? Okay, rewind. Didn't I?
Evidence is relevant if it has any tendency to make
Bro, can I not?
You know, it's fun
the
exactly.
determination of action more probable or less probable than it would be.
Oh my god, bro. Can I not do anything?
Let's see.
I'm setting the world spawn point here. No, bro. Jesus. Can you spit the world spawn point there?
To admit other acts of evidence that is admissible for permissible purposes. Here, the challenged evidence went to a material issue that was actually in dispute between the parties, whether Mackenzie purposely crashed the vehicle. Evidence that Mackenzie and Don were fighting in July of 22, including days before
This
the
was a
crash.
bad idea.
Mackenzie had threatened Russo and that she had
No,
threatened specifically to crash a vehicle in which they were both driving, was directly and meaningfully relevant and probative of Mackenzie's motive, intent, and lack of accident and mistake in crashing the vehicle. After careful consideration, we find that the probative value of this evidence for this non-propensity purposes was not
Don't worry,
substantially
I'll give you.
unfair prejudice, confusion of the issues, or misleading the fact finder. Shirley also complains that Detective Mizzou testified that Mackenzie was seen in social media
And I
photographs
accidentally
smoking
winded up in the
marijuana.
arrow, so
She
minus
says
one
that the only reason
arrow.
this was introduced is to portray her as an immoral drug
Do you have
abuser
any
who
arrows?
was grouped
Yes, I have
to
arrows.
engage in criminal
Come down.
activity.
I
We disagree.
wasted.
As an initial matter, we note that the defense opened the door to this line of questioning and
Everyone type in the
cross-examination of
comments.
Mizzou,
Lincoln is an
focusing on the
idiot.
results of the
Bro, I
Mackenzie's
died.
withdrawal that showed she had been under the influence of marijuana at the time of the crash.
I'm here.
The context of the state's line of questioning was not to introduce
We haven't even
propensity
got it
evidence,
yet.
but rather to
What was
introduce
that?
relevant
Yeah.
evidence.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'm setting the world spawn point here.
I have no idea where the heck you
After
are.
careful review, we find
He's right here. Come here.
evidence for this non-propensity purpose was not substantially outweighed by the risk of unfair prejudice.
Here go.
confusion,
Here go.
or
Here go.
issues
Here
of
go.
Trying, but it won't let me
Because
move.
there was no
I gave you.
error in
I gave you. I gave you it.
the evidence.
Let's try to throw him in the void. Let's try to throw him in the void.
We're almost done here, guys.
What is
In her fifth assignment,
He's up there.
she contends that certain
Yeah.
that certain of the trial's court evidentially
See, he's up there. He's throwing stuff at us.
prevented her from presenting a
We can do this. I
meaningful
believe him.
defense.
Why can I not?
Specifically, she argued
I
that she
hit him. I hit him. I got him. I hit him. I hit him.
regarding text messages
Nice.
Russo sent on the day of the crash. Defense counsel did not proffer to
I'm
the
right
trial
next to
court
him.
the substance of these messages, but
I'm on
certain of
him.
the messages were
I'm on him.
introduced
I'm dying.
into
I'm
the
dying.
court
I'm falling. I'm
proceedings.
falling.
The
Bro.
completion of cross-examination are matters within the sound discretion of the trial
Come
court.
on.
We find no abuse of discretion here. First, Shirley suggesting that the trial court excluded the additional text messages themselves is not
I
corroborated by
see
the
the
record.
wither.
Mackenzie complains about the following
Okay.
exchange during Martin's
Okay, I'm gonna set the world spawn point
she
here.
claims that some stuff was
No.
missing from the text
I
messages
can't
that would
swim
have
up
helped
and
her.
do the...
Do we
Yeah,
agree
I
with
give
that?
up. Jesus, just kill me.
She must be dying for the kidney. I
Boy.
didn't know that existed. I actually pity the people she's left up
How
with.
long has this video been? And how
It's
long
been-
do you think it will be once we get all the
That
things
one time I already
together?
told you it was an accident.
I don't know. It'll probably be like 30 minutes because this is 24 minutes.
Alright, she's a stage 12 cleaner.
Okay.
Okay, so she says.
I know where he is. I know where he is.
So, defense counsel, are you aware that the day
This is so annoying though, bro.
Dawn texted Mackenzie? Prosecutor says objection. The court says sustained.
What?
Defense counsel
Can you
says no
name
further
this
questions.
video? Can
Shirley
we
further complains about
survive
the
the
following
wither?
exchange during Detective
Yeah,
Rizzi's
can we
cross
survive the
examination.
wither? And I'm gonna
Defense
put
counsel
a,
says, you were asked on direct
and then I'm
about
gonna put the
text
wither
threat
and
from the
us
prosecutor.
and
Jesus says, I don't
leather
recall.
armor
Defense counsel says you don't recall.
with a
Jesus says no.
wooden sword.
Defense counsel says, well, Dom texted people that night that he loved them, correct? Prosecutor says objection. The court said sustained. We need to come to sidebar.
Wait, where is the wither?
Where's the wither?
The court says
Yeah, I
before the
don't
last
see it.
question, which clearly the detective was not asked on
Did we
direct,
defeat
is
it?
speaking for the
I'm
record.
joking. No.
Defense counsel says,
I know
"My
we didn't
apologies,
feed him
Judge."
because his
Oh,
freaking
I forgot
thing is
about
still
that.
here.
So Dom
Fire was
texted
the totem of
people that
undying. I got a
that
totem
night
of
he loved
undying.
them.
Where? How? What? Huh?
From a random chest, I found
So,
the totem of
you
undying.
guys, does that mean
Let me put that on real
he
quick.
knew something was
Not yet, because I'm
gonna
not
happen to
going to
him?
fall out of the hotel.
Yeah, congrats, Remy. I saw that. Marketing my first daughter this December.
Okay, I
It's
found
just
the
like
wither. We
wishing
found the
you all
wither.
luck.
There's blowing up things.
Um,
The wither's up there.
Okay, I have a totem of
So Dom
undying.
was texting people that he loved them.
Okay. Don't worry. I'll set the world
Then
spawn
coincidence
point
or
up
was it
by
because
him.
someone who's going
Oh
to
my
die?
god.
In either
Please get
instance,
me out
the
of this
defense counsel attempt to lay a foundation establishing how Martin could have known whether Russo texted Mackenzie on the day of the crash or regarding his knowledge of Russo's text messages. More importantly, however, Mackenzie never attempted to offer the text messages himself into
Why is my
evidence
house
and did not proffer their contents
Oh
to
my
the
god,
trial
the
court on record. She
freaking
seems to focus her appellate argument on a
wither's
text
killing
message that
me.
Mackenzie sent to a third party about the incident on July 17th, where she
I hate the wither, bro.
Mackenzie and Dom
I don't think we can defeat the
that
wither.
Mackenzie said Dom attempted to grab her steering wheel and try to cause an accident. She does not offer an explanation
wither!
as to how either of the trial court's evidentiary rulings identified,
I see him.
which concerned Russo's text messages to others.
I'm
as a
set the
result
world spawn
of
point.
excluding a message Shirley sent to a third party. Okay, would that text have made a difference?
Teleport to me, teleport to me.
Jury trial, would that have made a difference? to
He's
you?
above me
Because
right
the
now.
text message where Dom was acting like this. We have seen that in the text.
I teleported to you. I teleported him. He's above us.
Do you guys think that would make a difference?
So where is the
absence of
wither?
a
Above
of
us.
a proffer and having been directed
I see
at
him, he's
these
above
two
us.
evidentiary rulings,
Where did he go?
which seem to exclude
Ow!
further foundation and development into the text
Yep, I
messages
did.
that Mackenzie
No.
claims were excluded
Take off my
and were
I
found
hit him. I hit him.
into those areas with
Totem
these
of
witnesses.
undying
We
just in
cannot find the
time.
abuse of discretion
So
in the
when I
evidentiary
fell
rulings
and died,
identified. We therefore overrule Shirley's fifth assignment of error. After oral argument,
There's
the
a creep.
parties were ordered by
There's
the
a creeper.
issue of whether or not there was compliance in the matter and the fact if
Okay.
any of the assignments of error or verdict.
Okay, where's the
there was
wither?
no
Okay.
compliance.
We haven't even got half of him.
Ohio states
I
a
see him
cause
up
of
there,
death
I
in manner
see
and
him.
the murder in which the death occurred as delivered by the coroner and
Get here
incorporated in the
already.
coroner's verdict and in the death certificate filed with the divisions of vital statistics shall be
Oh, I
legally
wish this
accepted
water could go
manner and mode in
with
which
the
such death occurred and
Otherwise,
legally
then I would
accepted
shoot this guy
cause
because
of
I
death in
see
the
him.
support of common pleas
But
of
since
the
I
county
can't
in which
shoot
the death
it
occurred
in the
after a
water,
hearing directs the coroner to change
Oh my god,
his
bro.
decision
We're about to
to
die.
such cause, manner, and
Am
mode of
I
death.
Grandma's
The Office of the
bonus
Cuyahoga County Medical Examiner Office conducted
No! He freaking blew me up!
Davion. The coroner's verdict dated September 12, 2022 as to the manner was recorded as accidental. The report of the autopsy of Dominic also dated
No, I'm still eating.
September 12th,
I'm
was
just
also
eating a little
listed as
slow because
accidental.
I'm playing a game
Both
too.
autopsies were conducted by Dr. Fellow, a
God,
forensic
bro,
pathologist
can I
and the
not?
chief
I thought the
deputy
wither was
medical
somewhere
examiner
there.
for Cuyahoga
The
County.
wither's
Dr. Fellow
literally nowhere to
testified
be
that in March of 2023,
The
he was
wither's
asked by the
scared
Office
of us
the Cuyahoga
now,
County
yeah?
Prosecuting
Oh no,
Attorney
I see
to
blowing up
review
things.
additional documents
He's somewhere
which had been
near the
generated
water.
by the
Oh.
Somerville Police Department but were never submitted
I
to
saw
the
blowing
Office
up
of the Medical
things.
Examiner.
They used my
According
totem
to
of
Dr. Fellow,
undying.
after he reviewed the documents submitted to him, he changed the manner of death of both Davion
I feel like
and
I'm
Dom
fucking
from
shaking
accident
breath.
to homicide. In the case at bar, the record is void of any evidence that the Cuyahoga County Medical
I'm
Examiner
getting exploded right now, so I think
in her
he's
supplemental
close
brief,
by.
Mackenzie argues that a medical examiner lacks the
I'm dying,
statutory
I'm dying, I'm
authority
dying.
To amend a determination
No,
as a
no,
manner and
no.
mode of a person's death as memorialized in a verdict and death certificate. Without
Where's the
being
wither?
decided by a court.
Well, okay, I'm teleporting to you.
Yeah, I don't think that matters. I just think that they found no evidence for them to change
Okay,
that,
I'm setting the world's.
that banner of death.
I set the world spawn
Some
point.
argue that the medical examiners made a conclusion that Russell and Flanagan's death
Me
were
too.
homicide resulted in
I'm
impropriety.
falling and dying and falling and dying and falling and dying.
Created solely for the purpose of using them against her in this criminal trial and
Okay,
request
okay,
testimonial
okay.
statements
Help me,
indicating
help me, help me, help me, help me.
The state responded by
Can you
arguing
set
that
the
because
world's-
we waived all but plain errors as to those issues does not apply when a medical
Okay, I'm setting the
examiner
world
decides
spawn
to
point
change
here.
its own determination. The state is
Freaking spider! Don't even you dare! Bro, I set the world spawn point too far away, and now I'm gonna freaking.
But do caution the state as the need to comply with RC 313.
Much harder when he's down here.
Okay,
Oh, he's at the surface.
stop! I can't get to the surface! Please, I'm teleporting.
I'm not convinced that any error was obvious or that an amendment of the
No, I set the world spawn point on accident.
or resulted in a manifest miscarriage of justice. We find that in this case, the change in the manner of death of Fabian and Dominic by the Office of the County Medical Examiner did not affect the verdict in this case. Although the trial court had before it
It's okay.
before it evidence of the change as to the manner of death.
Where
by the
is he?
County Medical Examiner's office, there was other evidence to support the verdicts. Dr. Fellow testified
Where is
that
he?
it was his choice to amend the conclusions. He summarized what he reviewed
We're almost halfway there.
in coming to that determination, and he identified the reason why he came to those conclusions. In other words, the fact finder
I'm going to go get more arrows.
and could judge those circumstances as well as the credibility of evidence that caused the amendment. Finally, in light of the precedent from this court, any error in procedure under those circumstances was not obvious. This court held that 313 contemplates a situation where a third party seeks to have a trial court direct a coroner to change the manner of death, the manner of a person's death, unlike the situation here.
If I don't have any
Having overruled
more
Cheryl's assignment,
I got arrows. I got so many arrows.
the court finds that there was reasonable grounds for this
I
appeal.
have 12 arrows. I have 12 arrows. Is that a good?
Hearing text. It is ordered that a
12.
special mandate issue of this court directing to the
I'm
County Court
I'm setting the world spawn point where I am.
Because
their wither is freaking on top of me. Come here, 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 come here.
in a second. Never mind.
There, I gave you it. I gave you it. I gave you it. Oh, okay.
No, I don't have it.
Luxury too.
The wither's right there. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Okay, come here. I got the. There you go. The arrows are right there. The arrows are right there. Did you get the arrows? The arrows are right there. Get them. Here, I'll pick them up.
Rejuvenate, click, and clean traps and locks, dirt, dust, and
There you
hair
go.
with 10,000 scrubbing microfiber for a powerful clean.
We can do this. We can do this.
It's a powerful thing.
We're doing this. We're actually freaking doing this, bro.
I have a hard time believing this was an accident. I really do. No matter what we read, even this appeal from 2024, I'm like, yeah, I still don't think that
This must be
That
an hour
was
long video just because we
an
can't
accident.
kill.
Do you guys?
We're not allowed to get more
I feel the mom enabled her. Yeah, the mom did. What would be one thing for their parents to know they were in an intimate relationship, but they did and did nothing to stop it? How can they cry wolf now that he took advantage of her? That's also very true. The Charlotte would absolutely cover in life for her. They are delusional. Yeah, exactly.
I'm ready to shoot, but he won't
The mother put
move.
Mackenzie at birth control on
I don't
14.
waste an arrow.
She had POTS, but has no problem smoking weed down when doing treatment.
Oh, he's here.
Yes.
That's the whole thing.
I'm trying to hit him.
Her license
Yes, I got a shit out of him. I got a hit out of him.
She wasn't that worried about her condition.
Take some snowballs.
For them, but like she wasn't acting that way.
Eat
know what I mean?
snowballs.
So like not at all. She was just
Eat some snowballs. Oh my god, the snowballs are doing stuff to him.
not an accident. I think
Snowballs are doing stuff to him. Take the snowballs, they do stuff to him.
Maybe.
We have more
I mean,
snowballs?
we'll never know if she was actually like a real
Oh my god, I have
person.
so many
I don't think
snowballs.
she would die.
Skeletons. How does he does that?
I've never been mad, but I've been mad, but I never said that.
Bro, I freaking.
No.
I freaking the snowballs do stuff to him.
And we never heard her talk about any medical issues.
The snowballs help.
Yet.
How does he do this?
Yeah. Yes, I believe that's the video where she said she killed us, yes. Jane says my niece has that condition in virus. Okay. Didn't she have her seatbelt on? She did. No accident.
Oh, don't worry. I got snowballs. I can't respond.
They liked Mackenzie because she was prettier and the other was kind of slow. I did hear that. Has a prison reported
Die
that
with
she
the
has
snowballs.
which is ironic. So good question.
Die with the snowballs,
Sounds like
mister.
narcissistic to me to pick a favorite like that. Yeah.
Oh my god,
this
stupid
is the way to
water.
live on. My favorite child now seems to live vicariously through Mackenzie. So cringe. I agree.
How does he do that?
Okay. So we read that. I'm not going to read the other document now because this one took me longer than I thought. So I'll make
Help,
that
the
a
spiders
separate
are
line
like
for
getting me,
Dr.
bro.
We'll maybe read I have the petition for post-conviction relief that I want to read also, but we can do that tomorrow or another day.
I'm dying, bro. I'm dying.
Live for Mackenzie text reading tonight, and then I also want to do another Charlie Kirk live. So
Where is
thank
he?
you so much for being at this live.
My sword, where'd it go?
Come back on live again. Definitely make
Where's
you
my
have
sword?
notifications
My
on,
diamond sword.
tell them
Where'd it
about
go?
being here. Thank you.
I can't find my diamond sword.
Members to
My diamond sword. Where is it? Do you have an extra diamond sword?
Thank you guys for hanging out. Definitely.
It's not in my inventory. I think I like jumped it out. Cause can you check your inventory? Cause I need that diamond sword.
Her pediatrician probably mentioned possible cases, but it doesn't seem like a formal diagnosis. Why wouldn't her lawyer call her doctors to stand to testify? Good questions.
Okay.
Good questions.
I can't respawn. I'm pushing the button. Okay.
Good question.
Oh my god.
And then there was no one there. It was a bench trial.
Where's my diamond
Thanks, Melly. You promised
sword?
me cheating work. Let me find out you guys keep cheating. Thanks, Patty, for being here. Thank you guys. I'll see you in a little bit. I'm gonna eat and then I'll come back. The Mackenzie live is already scheduled, so.
I'll give you more arrows. I'll find more arrows.
Notifications and make sure to hit the like button on the way out. See you on the next one. Bye.
I freaking died by existing. This house ain't no longer safe. Like, what am I? Where's? Do you have a sword in your? Another sword, like 2 swords?
What do you mean? I have no idea what the heck you're saying.
I only have one. I don't have my sword.
Heck you in?
Oh, bro, no! I lost my freaking stuff. I'm dying. My diamonds! My diamonds! Give me my diamonds now. Oh my god! I am freaking going to explode. I can't push that.
So annoying.
I'm freaking dying because of this freaking wither. Help me, bro. I can't freaking live for 5 seconds. I need to find a crafting table that's far away from the wither so that I can live for like freaking 10 seconds.
Yeah, possible.
Can't really.
I wish you could just like get rid of the wither for like 5 freaking seconds. My game is lagging so hard because there's like freaking things everywhere.
My charger.
Oh,
Well, don't you have any charger in here?
This one's at 26 and this one's at 22. No, bro. this freaking song. Help me, I'm dying. I'm dead. Bro, can we just like get some peace and quiet without something destroying us? Okay, the wither's almost dead. I'm dead, bro. I'm dead.
In the days immediately preceding the moment her verdict.
Oh my god. Bro, why did you do that? Because I don't even...
Cyberbullying for more than a year.
And who turned out to be the suspect?
I don't have any diamonds. Do you have any diamonds?
No.
I need diamonds, like now. I saw you pick up like 20 diamonds. Please, I need it. Please look.
That's
The
19.
19 diamonds, can you please give it to me? Because I need diamonds.
Fox 10 News alert, a political activist and founder of Phoenix-based Turning Point USA, Charlie Kirk, has been shot.
I need to get a sword.
At the Utah Valley University in Orem, Utah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I got the diamonds. Bro, I can't even freaking live for 5 seconds without this freaking wither.
So, of course, this is developing a story we are continuing to get.
Okay, I'm going over here.
By the minute. So as soon as we have new details about this,
Oh my...
I think I defeated him.
You did?
No? Yeah, I think he's dead. Yeah, I think he killed him. Yeah, it's the boss fight thing's not there. Defeated the wither.
We defeated the wither?
No.
I need the wither.
I almost have 29 XP.
I have the wither star, though. I have the star.
Okay, let's do that. Let's end the video.
No, I need to craft my diamond sword. Bro, that was a lot. What are we going to fight next? The Ender Dragon?
Yep. But we'll do that in a different world.
God, bro. How did I die?
I don't know. Was it a skeleton or something?
Yeah, there was a skeleton. It says shot by a skeleton. Okay, thank you guys for watching. As always, stay happy, creative.